how to build a personal AI assistant in under 3 minutes. Stick around to the end, and I'm going to show you an AI tool that's going to blow your mind. All right, what is up, guys? Bryce Houston here, coming with another video. Follow, like, and subscribe for more. Let's get started. All right, guys, today we're going to build this chatbot here real quick. The example here is actually just my business, Houston Solutions. It's just a technology company. It's basic web development, chatbots, laptop PC. We're gonna make a personal chatbot for our business here using Voiceflow. So we're just gonna get started here. Once you're signed into Voiceflow, we're just gonna go new assistant, and we're gonna call this one personal assistant. We're gonna click build AI assistant, continue, web chat English, and we're gonna create assistant. Now right here, you can read through this if you'd like. I'm just gonna press shift and highlight all this, delete. I'm just gonna click on plus, hold that down, drag that over, and we're gonna just start with a text. Just gonna say, welcome to Houston Solutions. Click out of here, and then we're gonna just go up to response AI, click right there, and right here, we're just gonna click ask and help use files. Click out of there. Now if we run this, we should get a how may I assist you. Yeah, we're just gonna train right there. Okay, next here, we're just gonna click here, listen, and then a choice, drag that under there, and we're just gonna create a new intent, and this is gonna be for tech support. So we're give it some utterances, which are different examples. So I need computer help, computer not working, please help. My phone's glitching, generate 20 different utterances. My software isn't running, my tablet isn't responding, my laptop didn't display my software, blah, blah. Okay, control enter, select all those, create intent, tech support, boom. All right, next step, we're just gonna drag this over to here. We're gonna go response AI again. And now this one, we're gonna go respond using memory. So it's gonna respond using the ChatGPT's memory. From the database, and from the bottom here, we're just going to do a little custom prompt. You are a tech. You will answer questions about tech problems or issues, and you will give the best answer you can. Okay, so after this, we're actually just going to click on capture, because we want to capture this. So we're going to go capture right here, and this is where the part gets cool. We click over and we're just going to go AI response using memory, and then we're going to do choice, and we're going to give them a choice of yes or no. And if they say no, end block here. They say no, the conversation ends right there. They say yes, a capture, and then we're just going to draw a text block up in here. How can I help? And we'll generate. If I delete that one, that doesn't make sense. Control enter, click out of here, and then we're gonna go and click this, and it's gonna go back to here, and we're just gonna add one more text block right here, and that's just gonna ask, is there anything else I can help you with? Generate a couple more of those, control enter, click out of here, and now let's run this. And that should be it. And now you have a personal chatbot assistant that will answer questions based on what you prompt it to, and will go on a continuous loop until they no longer need or have any more questions. All right, guys, please follow, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and let's just keep pushing on one day at a time. All right, peace.